Hello little bacha party, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine at home and enjoying at home and waiting for Rakhi. Yes or no? Rakhi आ रही है अभी? नानी के यहाँ जाएंगे? Yes, very good. बट पढ़ाई भी करनी है साथ में, ओके? सो आज का जो वर्क है उसको आज ही करना है, उसको पेंडिंग नहीं छोड़ना है, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बाद में कर लेंगे, नो. डू द वर्क दैट मैडम डू द सेम डे. जिस दिन मैम करवाती है ऑन द सेम डे वी हैव टू कंप्लीट योर वर्क. सो अगेन आई एम हियर योर मैथ्स टीचर फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ Gokulas Public School. So we have started a new exercise, that is subtraction on number line, subtraction using number strip. Very simple it is, and I have given you homework also, 2 questions E and F. So I hope all of you have completed your homework and done your homework very well. So those who have completed their work, done their homework, very good. I will clap for those students. But as always, I will tell that the students, those who are not doing the homework on time, not completing their notebooks, so well, आप जितना अपना वर्क पेंडिंग रखेंगे आपको उतना ही ज़्यादा राइट करना पड़ेगा, ओके? अगर आप मैम के साथ लिखेंगे, जिस दिन मैम जो करवा रही है वो होमवर्क एट ए टाइम करेंगे, सो आपको बिल्कुल भी बर्डन नहीं लगेगा, आपको ऐसा लगेगा मेरा तो सारा काम हो चुका है. बट अगर आप सोचेंगे हम बाद में कर लेंगे, हम कल कर लेंगे, तो इतना सारा वर्क हो जाता है कि आपको ऐसा लगता है बाप रे इतना सारा मैं कैसे लिखूंगा. मम्मा आप लिख दो, पापा आप लिख दो, ठीक है? सो ट्राई टू डू योर वर्क योरसेल्फ on the same day, on the same time, okay? So let's start, continue the same exercise, self practice 3E, question number 2. So fast open your books, your notebooks, page number 54 in your book. We are doing self practice. Already we have started, question 1 we have done, subtracting using number line. So now we are doing self practice 3E, question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is again subtract using the number strip and write the answer in the space provided. This is also subtraction using number strip. So we are doing the same question. So write today's date. What is the date today? No need to take the new page. Why? Because we are continuing the same exercise. So if sufficient space is given after question number 1, left after question number 1, अगर आपके question number 1 के बाद space है notebook में, so start writing from the same page after leaving one box. So start writing. First write the question. So we are doing question number 2. Page number 54. Now I hope no need to explain again that how to subtract numbers using number strip. So is it? May I explain it again? May I explain question again? How to subtract number line? All of you know? All of you have clear? Very good. So we will start doing the question. So first write the question. Subtract, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T, subtract using U-S-I-N-G, subtract using the number strip. The number strip. Or we can say it is a number line. Okay? We can say number strip or number line. So the first question is A. 16 minus 5. First question is 16 minus 5. So write 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5. So draw a number line. Okay, draw a number line starting from number 0 till number 16, sorry, or 17. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Till 17 I am drawing a number line. Why? Because 16 जो upper number है, first number should be on the number line. जो first number है वो number line में होना चाहिए. That means our first number is 16. So 16 और उससे एक ज़्यादा ले लिया हमने 17. अगर आपकी कॉपी में भी स्पेस नहीं है 20 तक, तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि मैम ने 20 तक ड्रॉ किया है तो हमें भी 20 तक ड्रॉ करना है. आप जो नंबर है वो एटलीस्ट होना चाहिए, वहाँ तक भी नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग नंबर्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the question is 16 minus 5. So on which number you are standing? You are standing on number 16. So make a big dot on number 16. And how many steps you have to jump? और किस डायरेक्शन में करना है? So since it is a question of subtraction, इसमें हम subtract कर रहे हैं. So when we are subtracting, we move in the opposite direction, in backward direction, towards the left hand side on a number line. So let's start jump. 5 steps you have to jump. So start jumping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At which number you stop? We stop at number 11. So write here 11. Write fast. Now second question B. Question is 15 minus 8. So again draw a number line. Use scale. So number is 15. So हम 16 तक number line में लिखेंगे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Write fast. Now what is the question? 15 minus 8. That means on which number you are standing? You are standing on number 15. You are standing on number 15. So make a big dot on number 15. Now how many steps you have to move? 8 steps. So jump 8 steps backward towards the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On which number you stop? You stop at number 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Right? 7. Write fast. So I am rubbing question number A. I hope you have done it. And I am writing third question C here. C is 14 minus 6. minus 6. So draw a number line and write numbers till 15 from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now at which number you are standing? You are standing on number 14. So make a big dot on number 14 and you have to jump 6 steps. So jump 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At which number you stop? You stop at number 8. So 14 minus 6 is 8. One more question I am doing. 12 minus 9. So draw a number line and write numbers from 0 to 13. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write fast. Now on which number you are standing? We are standing on number 12. 12 minus 9, that means we are standing on number 12. And how many jumps you have to move? You have to move 9 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number पे आके stop हो गए at number 3. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Right, fast. Now remaining 4 questions will be homework for you. Clear? Remaining 4 questions. That means E, F, G and H. Where I will write here, I will write the homework. E, F, G and H. Homework. Okay? Very simple question. I hope you will do it very perfectly. Write fast. So do homework E, F, G and H. Okay. So those who have not completed, you can pause video here and complete your work. Now I am rubbing the board and starting the next exercise, that is 3F, and 3F is a word problem. Okay. So let's start the word problem. Now take out new page and write self practice 3F. Self practice 3F. So word problem is there. Word problem of addition and subtraction both. So first I am going to read all the word problem. Okay. So first we will read all the questions. So you also look into your book. Page number 55. Now see. First is Prakash invited 3 girls and 10 boys to his birthday party. प्रकाश ने उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी में 6 गर्ल्स को इनवाइट किया और 10 बॉयज को इनवाइट किया. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन डिड ही इनवाइट द पार्टी इन ऑल. अब उसने टोटल कितने बच्चों को इनवाइट किया दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड. ओके. सो क्या करेंगे. सिंपल है. प्लस है. ओके. नाउ सी द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. there were 12 bananas in a bunch. bunch मतलब एक जो बनाना लिखा होगा ना पूरे एक बंच में आता है. तो उस बंच में कितने बनानाज हैं. 12. आर्यन एंड हिज फ्रेंड ate 8 of them. अब आर्यन ने और उसके फ्रेंड ने मिलके 8 बनानाज खा लिए. खा लिए मतलब खत्म हो गए. हाउ मेनी बनानाज आर लेफ्ट. तो कितने बनानाज बचे. सब्ट्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट. There are 15 flower plants in बलजीत गार्डन. बलजीत के गार्डन में कितने फ्लावर्स के प्लांट है. 15. इन द मॉर्निंग ही वाटर्ड 9 of them. अभी उसने 15 थे टोटल प्लांट्स. उसने उसमें से 9 को पानी दे दिया. 9 प्लांट्स को उसने वाटर दे दिया. हाउ मेनी प्लांट्स आर लेफ्ट टू बी वाटर. अभी कितने प्लांट्स बचे हैं जिसको उसको वाटर देना है. सो लेफ्ट बचे हैं मीन्स यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ स्टार्ट डूइंग. Right, first Prakash invited
birthday party. Full stop. How many children? How many children did he invite to the party? In all. Question. Now write the answer. Okay. So how many girls he invited? So girls are 6 and boys are 10. Okay. So girls is equals to 6 and boys is equals to 10. Now add it. So what is the answer? 6 plus 0 is 6 and 1 will be as it is. So write he right here. He invited how many? 16 children. Okay. So this is the answer. Now the second question. Second question is there
So remaining 2 questions we will do in our next lecture. Okay students? जो 2 word problem बची है वो that questions we will do in next lecture. So complete your work first and do your homework of question number 2. Self practice 3E using number line you have to subtract the numbers. Okay? So you can pause video and complete your work. Okay? And I told you that remaining 2 questions 2 and 3 we will do in next lecture. Bye students. Have a nice day and complete your work.